Close your eyes. Imagine a bank account. It resets every single day. Every morning. You receive $86, 400. There is one strict rule. You cannot carry a balance. What you do not spend vanishes. The account hits zero at midnight. Then it happens again. A fresh deposit arrives. Most people would spend every cent. They would plan every dollar. But this account actually exists. It is not filled with dollars. It is filled with seconds. 86,400 seconds. This is your daily time deposit. It is the only true currency. Everything else is just a proxy. We trade this currency for paper. We call that paper money. But the exchange rate is terrible. Most people are being robbed. They just do not know it yet. Society treats time as infinite. It treats money as the prize. The wealthy see the inverse. Money is cheap and replenishable. Time is expensive and finite. Once a second burns, it is gone. It never returns to the vault. Think about a billionaire. He has everything money can buy. Private jets, islands, and gold. But he is 80 years old. He would trade it all instantly. He would trade every billion. Just to be 20 years old again. He wants your currency. He wants your time. This reveals a hidden truth. You are currently incredibly wealthy. You possess what the elite crave. Yet, you likely feel broke. You feel trapped by bills. You feel stuck in the race. This is a psychological illusion. The system is built on this trick. It wants you to undervalue time. It wants you to sell it cheap. Consider two different people. Let us call them David and Chloe. David is a high-level executive. He earns $300,000 every year. He works 70 hours a week. He misses his children's birthdays. He eats dinner at his desk. David is rich in paper. But David is time bankrupt. He has no freedom to move. His life belongs to the corporation. Now, let us look at Chloe. Chloe earns $60,000 every year. She works 20 hours a week. She builds her own creative projects. She spends afternoons in the sun. Chloe is wealthy in time. She owns her own clock. She has the power of choice. David is a highly paid servant. Chloe is a modest master. Who is truly living better? The answer depends on your values. But the math favors Chloe. She has a longer time window. A window for compounding and joy. David is burning his window. He is trading life for metal. Metal that eventually turns to rust. The true cost of an item. It is not the price tag. It is the life required. If a watch costs $500 and you earn $25 an hour, that watch costs 20 hours. 20 hours of your finite life. Is the watch worth that sacrifice? Usually, the answer is no. When you see the trade clearly, the world looks very different. Luxury items look like cages. Debt looks like a time thief. Debt is spending future time today. You are borrowing from your future self. You are committing your future hours. Hours you have not even lived. This is how people lose decades. They buy things they cannot afford. They sell their future to the bank. They become slaves to the past. The wealthy avoid this trap. They use money to buy time. They hire people to clean. They hire people to drive. They outsource the low-value tasks. This creates a time surplus. They use that surplus to think. They use it to build systems. Systems that earn money while sleeping. This is the ultimate goal. Decoupling your time from your income. Most people are linearly connected. 1 hour equals 1 payment. This is the ceiling of wealth. You only have 24 hours. You cannot work more than that. Your income has a hard limit. To break the limit, change gears. Invest in things that grow alone. Stocks, real estate, and digital code. These assets work in the dark. They do not need your presence. They pay you in time. Imagine having $1, 000 in dividends. That is 40 hours of freedom. 40 hours you do not work. You have bought a work week. You have reclaimed your life. This is the path to sovereignty. The ladder of time ownership. Level 1 is selling time. Level 2 is optimizing time. Level 3 is buying time. Level 4 is exiting time. Most people never leave level 1. They just try to sell it higher. They want a better hourly rate. But the trade is still there. The cage is just made of gold. To truly win, stop selling. Start building your own vault. Protect your seconds like diamonds. Say no to useless meetings. Say no to mindless scrolling. The internet is a time vacuum. It steals your currency for free. It trades your life for ads. Be ruthless with your attention. Attention is the gatekeeper of time. Where your eyes go, time follows. If you control your eyes, you control your destiny. Look at your current schedule. How much time do you own? How much is leased to others? The goal is to increase ownership. Even by 1% a year. The compounding effect is massive. In 10 years, you are free. Time is the soil of wealth. Nothing grows without it. If you rush, you fail. If you wait, you win. The market rewards the patient. The patient have a time surplus. The desperate have a time deficit. Never make decisions in a deficit. Deficits lead to bad trades. They lead to high interest debt. They lead to wasted years. Slow down and look around. The system is moving too fast. It wants you to feel behind. It wants you to panic spend. Resist the urge to hurry. Your time is your power. Do not give it away easily. Hold it. Invest it. Cherish it. You are the pilot of your days. The fuel is burning right now. Where are you flying the plane? Are you circling the same airport? Or are you crossing the ocean? The ocean is wide and beautiful. It requires courage and time. You have the currency required. The deposit was made this morning. 86,400. Use them to build your freedom. Use them to find your peace. The clock is ticking quietly. Listen to the rhythm of life. It is the sound of wealth. It is the sound of opportunity. The bank is open for business. What will you buy today? The choice is yours. Make it count.